Looking out to our friends in Decatur there, some more clouds have started to build in. That is going to be the case as we go throughout the night tonight as well. But the big thing is, look how much warmer it was today. 15 to 20 degrees above what we were this time yesterday. We had all that cloudiness, all that rain on Friday, but today a lot of sunshine, and we got into the 80s for the first time in the year 2018. 84 degrees, just a few shy of the record 87 degrees set back in 1963. So it was a very warm one today. And we also started out 20 degrees warmer than our normal low temperature. And that hasn't changed much. Still 81 here in Meridian, 76 off towards Louisville, friends in Demopolis 79, and Utah, you're still at 80 degrees at this hour. Now that will slowly change as we go into the night tonight past sunset. But again, there's those warmer air, that warmer air that's out there across the southeast and dew points as well. Still very muggy as you go across the Twin States and down into Louisiana. Upper 60 dew points down near the Gulf. So that warm and moist air in place is going to be the ingredients for those storms that we were talking about for tomorrow. But again, through your night tonight, nothing to really worry about other than those clouds building in, and it's staying fairly warm outside, so you will not need a coat if you're going out and about or on the town tonight as we go forward. Southern Pine Electric radar, pretty much a clean sweep for anybody in the northern counties. Off to the south, though, a couple of storms near Hattiesburg and just south of Waynesboro. Those also have a severe thunderstorm warning attached to them, as those have increased in intensity so far. But for the most part, there are those storms mainly to the south along the coast. Batch of storms off into Tennessee here, and then another batch of rain. This is part of that system we'll see move in tomorrow, bringing some severe thunderstorms to Texas and the Dallas area. So let's time that out for us, though, as we go through the night tonight. There's the clouds building in as we go into Sunday morning. The first round of storms will pick up as we go into the late morning, into the early afternoon hours, and that'll have the potential for some gusty winds and some hail, so be on the lookout for that. A little bit of a break as we go into the later afternoon, and then the next big round comes in overnight Sunday into Monday. There's those heavier storms that we'll be keeping an eye on. Same threats, but again, we're going to be watching that as we go over the next several hours into Sunday. And there it is tomorrow again, rain and storms as we go into the afternoon with that first round at the very least. So tonight we'll be at 63 degrees with some mostly cloudy skies. Patchy fog is going to develop as we go into the later evening hours and into tomorrow morning as well. Tomorrow, there's the rain and storms mainly in the afternoon as we do warm up into those upper 70s. And that's just the first round of storms we'll be seeing before we do get into the later part of the day. There's those temperatures, though, as we go throughout the rest of the week, as we'll be into the 60s by the time we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So the first day of spring is Tuesday, but we're going to experience a cool down as we'll be in the 60s and 30s overnight, but warming up pretty nicely, though, as we go into the next weekend back to the 70s. But